21 Gun Salute Concours the Elegance, the 10th edition, to celebrate the 75 years of Azadi Ka Mahotsav.
I think it's a very proud and privileged moment for all of us. We want to thank Mr. Madan Mohan because as the full architect of 21 Gun Salute, the Concours the Elegance has really taken up very, very well.
This is my 1958 MGA Roadster. This is like a baby to me. I take care of it more than my children.
So I've always believed that you need to really use these cars to keep them alive and to keep them going. It's like having a horse. You cannot just keep a horse in a stable.
One of the most fascinating things about driving these cars is that when you are driving it, you actually feel like a film star, because everyone around you, you think that they're looking at you, but they're actually looking at the car.
75 cars have been flagged off from Lukshmi Vilas Palace, Vadodara. Now we are here at the Statue of Unity after driving 90 kilometers.
This is an MGB of 1965. So when we got the car, me and my husband decided that we didn't want to keep the same color because I always wanted a British racing green color on the car.
MG Car Club is the car club who always take care of their family. It's not once you purchased, your relationship has finished. नहीं, जैसे 100 years की ये legacy चली आ रही है हमारी, और आगे भी हम ऐसी इच्छा रखते हैं कि 1000 years of legacy ये चलती रहेगी.